How to add thumbnail to Instagram Reel. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Make sure you are using the latest version of Instagram. You will land to the home page. Now, click on the plus option given at the top right. At the bottom, you're gonna find different section as post, story, reel, and live. Set it to reel. Then select the video or the pictures that you wanna upload as a reel. Once you do that, click on next. Now from here, you are able to select the music, likewise edit your reel. Once you are done with the editing part, click on next. You'll be directed to this page. Now from here, you are able to change the thumbnail for your reel. All you have to do is click on the option edit cover. Now you can select from the video itself, or you can click on the option add from camera roll and select the thumbnail for it. Once you are done, click on the option done given at the top right, and now you can share it. So this way you can easily add thumbnail to Instagram Reel. Now you can navigate to your profile, then head over to the Reel section and check. So this is how you can easily add thumbnail to Instagram Reel. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.